Introducing the Parkes 15 Quad MK4. It's the evolution of off-grid caravanning, packed with loads of features. Up front, you've got a huge gull wing toolbox with two 8.5 kilogram gas bottle holders and plenty of storage space. Everything organised and right where you need it. And for long stays, you have plenty of external storage compartments. And the clothesline. The external kitchen boasts a full pantry, accessible from both inside and out, fridge slide with dual zone compartments, a cutting board, plus the drop-down outdoor pantry table. And when you're all set up at camp, the 3-arm heavy-duty awning gives you rock-solid cover and shade. Step inside the Parkes and it's all about smart family comfort. There's 2 full-size bunks, including reading lamps, charging points, even cupboards and shelves. Perfect for kids, teens or even guests. Front and centre is the all-new king-size electric slide-out bed. Running on smart integration to set up is literally a press of the button. The kitchen is modern and efficient, with a dual induction cooktop. There's plenty of drawers and cupboard space, all with soft closing, lockable cabinetry, plus that awesome 2-way pantry. Moulded internal ensuite with both showers inside and out. There's even instant hot water, and there's the My Coolman air conditioning. You can run it all off your lithium power system, everything at the touch of a button. When it cools down, the 2 kilowatt diesel heater keeps the whole van warm and toasty, all running via the Renogy power management system. This is where the Parkes MK4 steps ahead of the pack. At the press of a button, out goes your step, out goes your huge 3-arm awning, up pops your roof, and out slides your king-size bed. And a huge 24-volt, 12 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank, equivalent to 940 amp hours at 12.8 volts. Up on the roof, there's 1190 watts HPBC 48-volt solar array. High output anti-shading technology, keeping you charged even on a cloudy day. The 3000 VA Victron inverter, and the EasyPower Pro RV management system. You can live off-grid comfortably. Aircon, induction cooking, lights, charging, without rushing back to a powered site. And off-grid, it also includes 2 120-litre freshwater tanks, an 80-litre grey water tank, and your external kitchen also connects to the grey water tank, and full tank monitoring. Rolling on the new EasyRider V3 suspension system with stabilising arms and an anti-sway bar. This thing tracks smooth and stable no matter where you take it. And it's all sitting on a tough galvanised chassis. And it also includes our EasyLight awning room, which doubles your living space. The Parkes 15 Quad MK4. Comfort where it counts. Power to stay off-grid longer. And toughness to take you and your family beyond the blacktop.